At Movement Mortgage, we exist to love and value people. Movement is an impact lender, and you're probably familiar with the great things we do on the charitable side of our organization. What you may not be aware of is that we do a fantastic job in the senior market, which is the fastest growing real estate market in the nation. The National Association of Realtors just published the statistics that baby boomers are the largest buyers and sellers of real estate in this country. Movement Mortgage specializes in retirement mortgage planning. We provide loan options for clients over the age of 62, and even some products for those that are over 55 to potentially purchase nicer and larger homes than they would have ever thought possible. Yet, 90% of baby boomers are living in a home that doesn't allow them to age in place because of stairs, maintenance issues, narrow doors, and other accessibility issues. It is obvious that they should sell their current homes and move to a home that is specifically designed for senior living. A reverse mortgage for purchase can be a perfect solution to get qualified seniors into the right homes. Instead of paying cash for a house so that there is no monthly payment, we can dramatically increase their buying power by taking the equity in their old home and supplementing it with funding from a reverse mortgage so they can buy the house they really want. For example, most borrowers over 62 can come in with a 40 to 60% down payment investment, and then Movement comes in with the remainder in a mortgage that won't be due until they permanently move out of the house many years into the future. On a home equity conversion mortgage known as a HECM, loan payments are optional until the end. All borrowers can make payments if they wish for tax purposes or simply to preserve equity, but they never have to if they want to do other things with their cash flow, like having fun with grandkids. The reverse mortgage is truly life-changing. While you can increase your sales prices and the number of listings that you will have, you will also help millennials with housing inventory choices as older people move out so that younger families can move in. The biggest advantage is to your clients, who can live a better retirement than they even thought possible. They will lovingly share your information with their friends and relatives, resulting in even greater sales amongst this group of very loyal clients. If you have a potential client, leave their information in the form on this page or email us at reverserequest@movement.com to learn how we can help you stand out from your competition and market to this very lucrative and fun demographic.